Hey innovators, would you like to learn how to make an animated video like this?
You mean where two characters are talking to each other?
Exactly. But how did we make this animated conversation?
Keep watching and we'll show you how to do it.
Just make sure you watch the whole video to learn all the secrets.
Okay, let's get started.
So, for today's story, I decided to make something a little different. And I asked it to help me create a story under 30 seconds for my YouTube channel about a unicorn talking to a Sasquatch. Then I asked it to give me some ideas, and it did. I read through them, and I decided, I like the shoe problem. So this is the one I'm going to use today for this short tutorial video, showing you how to make an animation that has a conversation between two characters. Let's go on to the next step. I'm in 11 Labs, and I'm about to record the voices for my story. As you can see, there's all kinds of voices in here for characters and animation, social media, and so on. But once you've chosen one, go back to text to speech. Now I'll record my story text. I've divided it up so one character is in the yellow and the rest is the second character. Next, I'll record all the text for the first character. There. Now I'll click Generate. Next, click Download. Then I'll do the same thing for the other character. I'll choose another voice. Then I'll add the text here. Then click Generate Speech. Then click Download. Okay, now on to the next step. For this step, I'll combine my two voices so that I can put them each on a separate track. I'm in CapCut, so I'll drag those two voices of mine in here. I'll put my first voice here, then I'll move my second character over here for a moment. I'll listen for the breaks to split the audio. To make this work, I'll keep the two characters separated, so we have the one character on this line and the one on that line. Click here to mute this one, then download it as a MP4. Click Export and click Download. Then we'll do the same thing with the second voice. Unmute the first one, then click here to mute this one. Then download it. Now we have both our character voices with silent breaks recorded. That way, it will work perfectly when we animate our characters in just a couple of minutes. Now, on to the next step. Now we're going to put it all together. I'm in Adobe Express. So click on Start Now. It's free to use, but you can sign up for a 30-day free trial if you want. That's what I did. There are all kinds of characters in here. For now, I'll use this unicorn and keep him in the center. When you animate them, there are some limb movements, so I like to put them in the middle so nothing gets cut off. You can record your own voice if you want to. Since I've already have a voice ready, I'll click on that one and upload it. It'll take it a few minutes to complete. I'll come back when it's finished. Now we're back. If you use the free plan, you can't download a transparent background here. That's why I signed up for the free trial. So open it in Adobe Express. Next, I'll click on the background, go to Background Color, and click on Transparent. So now it has a transparent background. Now let's do the second character. Go back to Adobe Express, click on Start Now. Now we'll use the Bigfoot character. Click on that. Now it's processing. We'll come back when it's done. So we'll open it in Adobe Express. So I'll go here and click on background color. I want to put him on the page with the unicorn, so I'll click it, copy it, then I'll paste him on the same page. Next, I'll flip him. Now the only thing missing is the background. I've got an AI background already, so I'll upload it. There we go. I'll resize it. Pull the background down to the bottom. Okay. Once you get this far, just come here to download it as an MP4. Let's watch the whole story all put together.
I lost another horseshoe. That's the third one this month.
At least you have shoes. Do you know how hard it is to find size 25 shoes in the forest?
I'll trade you. You find me a horseshoe, and I'll make you sparkly slippers.
Deal. But no glitter. My feet are already way too noticeable.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.